Unveiling creativity. How to make up a recipe. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language and culinary arts. How to make up a recipe. Whether you're a language learner or a budding chef, understanding this phrase can unlock new levels of creativity in the kitchen. So, let's explore together what it means and how you can apply it in real life. To make up a recipe might sound straightforward, but there's a bit more to it. At its core, making up a recipe involves creating a cooking method or formula from scratch or improvising with what you have on hand. It's about innovation, creativity, and sometimes necessity. Unlike following a recipe, which requires sticking to specific instructions and ingredients, making up a recipe invites you to experiment and personalize your dishes. When you decide to make up a recipe, the world is your oyster. Here are the key components. Imagination. Envisioning the taste, texture, and appearance of the dish you want to create. Knowledge. Understanding basic cooking principles. What flavors work well together, and how different cooking methods affect ingredients. Flexibility. Being open to change and ready to substitute ingredients based on availability or preference. Experimentation. The willingness to try different combinations and adjust as you go. 1. Start with inspiration. Think about a dish you love or flavors that excite you. 2. Choose your ingredients. Based on what you have or what you can easily get. Don't be afraid to substitute. 3. Decide on a cooking method. Baking, frying, steaming, etc., depending on your preference and the ingredient's suitability. 4. Adjust as you go. Taste and tweak. Add a bit more salt, a splash of vinegar, or a pinch of sugar to balance flavors. 5. Record your process. Keep notes on what works and what doesn't for future reference. Balance is key. Aim for a balance of flavors and textures. Embrace mistakes. They're learning opportunities that can lead to unexpected discoveries. Share your creations. Getting feedback is invaluable for improvement and can be extremely rewarding. Making up a recipe is a wonderful way to express creativity, improve your cooking skills, and enjoy the process of learning and experimentation. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to create in the kitchen. We hope this video has inspired you to invent your own dishes and explore the endless possibilities that cooking offers. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.